Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and immediately starting the sync. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are on the latest OS and paired under the same Apple ID. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap Photos, then Photos Sync and select the album you want. Once done, set a photo limit so the watch storage isn't overwhelmed. This kicks off the transfer process over Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Keep both devices nearby and unlocked while the initial sync begins. Now focus on the middle steps, configuring what actually syncs and why that matters. In the Watch app, choose the synced album and pick an album you curated on your iPhone to control content. Make sure Photos limit is reasonable, 100 or less, because the watch has limited storage. If you want quick access, enable favorites or add a Photos complication to your watch face. This ensures the images used for faces are available and refreshed. Keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi until to finish, confirm the sync completed and know one key troubleshooting step. Open the Photos app on your Apple Watch and browse the synced album. If images appear, you're done. If the album didn't fully transfer, make sure both devices are charged and restart the iPhone and watch, then reinitiate the sync from the Watch app. If problems persist, freeze space on the watch or lower the Photos limit, because lack of storage is the most common blocker to successful album synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.